that.
No, I did it.
In your head, but me.
Oh. Go speed, speed, speed.
Mommy, you get too into this stuff.
I like
This is why you're not allowed to play games anymore.
Don't move. Don't move.
I can't help it, 'cause I'm doing it with him.
Well, you're married to him.
Face.
Woo!
Go on, Daddykins.
Go,
Starfish.
jump, jump! Woo! Over, over!
Go on,
Where
babes.
you going? Woo!
He's getting into this.
Woo!
Just like you're getting into gumball.
Move forward.
Oh, nice
There you
landing.
go.
Right, where you going? Where you going?
Hmm?
Where you go?
You may want to calm down, mother. Spread your legs and fly.
Whee!
This can't be good for his
Are you on
sister.
Prozac?
Woo!
Seriously, shut up.
Go.
What's
Sorry.
that?
Why are you thrusting your chest out? You don't have boobs.
Yeah, he's got.
Oh,
jeez. Your knees
Will
alright?
you see this? Hey! Nice
I
one.
like the second one.
Do you have any pride left? Daddy, do you have any pride left?
Nope. I'm married with kids.
Well, that's very nice of you. Would you
Not bad.
Would you recommend playing this drunk?
Yeah, you have to play this pitched.
We should try that.
Amaretto. Do you want to try?
No.
No.
We'll wait till mommy goes to bed.